So we took our 7500 plus front end, the OptiFlow Pro source, and we took then the D-Jet ion guide and the Q-Jet ion guide, and we put that into the front end of our accurate mass systems. So this really enables us to then bring in a lot more ions into the system and get them into the detector. And we've replaced the detector with an optical detector. So these elements together are what are creating that sensitivity boost with this instrument. And we also have our mass guard technology that we took from the triple quad, and all the successes that we've had from that space with that instrumentation, and now kind of harmonizing it with accurate mass, high resolution. We're really seeing this great boost in sensitivity with those technologies. So with the new updated DIA, what we've ended up doing is enabling another dimension with the Q1 to scan a larger range of the mass range for customers to be able to analyze not just proteins, which was what came out in our original ZT scan DIA, but we've opened that up to now be able to look at metabolites and lipids as well as the protein. So really opens up the space for customers to do more application workflows to look at those different molecules of interest. So the algorithm in our software has been able to do that for the ZT scan DIA. We're really excited about this being for our Omics customers who are really looking at not just the identification, but the quantitation of what they're identifying. So from the Omics space, metabolomics, proteomics, lipidomics, these are all spaces where this really will enable customers to get more quality data. And our MedID customers, so our customers in pharma, they'll be able to do more of their MedID workflows and their peptide quant from the biopharma space as well. So really opening it up pretty much across all market spaces and applications in omics and the pharma sectors. So now that we've got all the new front-end technology incorporated, that's going to bring in a lot more ions. We knew this was a thing on our triple quads, and we introduced mass guard technology last year on that product. And because we thought, okay, well, now we want to boost the sensitivity of this accurate mass system, let's also incorporate that technology to help filter and filter. It's like an ion filtering device. So we're putting a lot more in, but we're also monitoring and being able to filter out what we don't need, and helps to reduce the contamination in the system. We have customers right now that have the system, and they've ran over 5,000 samples and all kinds of matrices. They've got milk, they've ran urine, they've ran lipids like plants. So they've got all these different matrices, over 5,000 samples, and it's been 6 months and they haven't cleaned it. So this mass guard technology is just really awesome to help keep our system clean and robust. Really giving customers flexibility to take their data in their own hands and be able to process it is really what we're trying to enable. So we've got our partnerships with BSI Peaks for proteomics, and these are the guys that are processing our ZT scan DIA data. So we're really enabling customers to go that route. Or Diane was another software for proteomics that the customers are able to process the ZT scan with. And then we didn't forget about the small molecules. That is a big thing, a big differentiator for the ZT Scan 2.0, where we've enabled now for small molecule analysis. So we partnered with MS Dial, and they are now able to process our ZT Scan DIA with that. So giving just a lot of flexibility and letting the customers choose what they feel comfortable with, and not force them to use our only products. Like, we're giving that flexibility to them. I think with so much data that's coming out, people are going to need that type of flexibility, so we want to enable it.